let's talk about collective bargaining. Okay, so the question in front of you asks, collective action by local communities can help to control the environmental degradation. Explain, right? So what is the meaning here? Environmental degradation means obviously deterioration of the quality as well as reduction in the natural resources in terms of air, water, soil, right, due to human activity. So that is what we mean by environmental degradation. So now how the locality can come together in order to preserve this and also takes the goal or the objective of sustainable development more seriously, right? So that is what here collective action by local communities mean, and how they can actually control the environmental degradation. So in order to understand that, let us first try to understand the definition. So environmental degradation, as I explained, is deterioration of natural resource such as air, water, soil due to human activities such as industrialization, urbanization, and deforestation. The local communities are often the most affected by environmental degradation as they rely on natural resources for their livelihood and well-being, right? For example, say fishes in water bodies. So those who are living by the coast or by the river bank may lead their livelihood based on fishing. So if we pollute the water, the industrialists or the manufacturers, if they pollute the waters, then the number of fishes will slowly die. As a result, the livelihood of these people will be affected. So that is the meaning what we call it. So this is also a part of externality that we are talking about, negative externality. So local communities are the often most affected by the environmental degradation. Okay, now therefore collective actions by the local communities can play a crucial role in controlling environmental degradation. Now collective actions refer to the efforts of individual groups or communities working together to achieve a common goal. So, in the context of environmental degradation, collective actions by local communities can include. So, now what are the actions that these people can take in order to control this? Okay, so number one here is sustainable resource use. Okay, sustainable development, like meeting the today's need by keeping in mind the future generation, right? So local communities can adopt sustainable resource use practices to reduce impact on the environment. For example, they can promote sustainable agriculture, use of renewable energy, reduction of waste and pollution, etc., right? Second one is about advocacy and awareness raising, like what are the reasons that a particular activity should be restricted and why nature is so important for us. These type of awareness are needed to be made in order to take effective actions, right? So local communities can raise awareness about environment issues and advocate for policies and practices that promote sustainable development. So this can include lobbying government officials, organizing protests and rallies, and engaging in public education campaigns, right? Next one is community based monitoring. So, here local communities can monitor environmental changes and report any violations or abuse of natural resources. So, this can help to hold polluters accountable and prevent further degradation. So, to conclude these, so collective actions by local communities can be very effective in controlling environmental degradation because it involves who are most affected by the issues. Because if I am the one who is affected, so I will take these as more seriously, and as per that I will make more effective regulations and rules, right? So by working together, local communities can pool their resources, knowledge and skill to achieve this common goal. So they can build a society where there exists peace and solidarity and strengthen the social ties. Okay, so which will help to promote greater environmental awareness and responsibility. So that's all for this answer.